Hi class, I hope you're all well. I wanted to take a minute and make your Module 2 video for you. It's Tuesday evening, so please realize that some of the things I'm saying, I'm pre-saying them for the module. I'm sorry, but it looks like my dog is going to be insistent on being in this video, but I'm going to ignore her distraction. So a few things that I want to talk about this week. So some of you guys have told me that the book is on back order from the bookstore and that you guys are not able to get a copy of the book right now. But I want to make you aware that if this is continuing, I don't want you guys to get very far behind with the quizzes or to get very low grades on the quizzes. Amazon does have a Kindle edition of the book, which means that if you cancel your order with the bookstore, you can actually have the book instantly. It is more expensive. I know that some of you guys have financial aid and there's reasons why you have to go to the bookstore or things of that nature, but I just wanted to make you aware of that possibility for getting the book. I really do not want to, for copywriting reasons, to make copies of the textbook and place them online. So maybe you guys, some of you all live close enough to each other, or you can send a message out using Canvas to your classmates. Say, this is where I live at. Is anyone close and I can share the book? Because I just don't want you guys to get too far behind. So, and you can also likely, if you don't have the book, you can probably make it through right now until you get the book with the slideshow, which the slideshow is actually the PowerPoint that it was designed for the textbook. So you will get a lot of knowledge out of that, which will certainly help you with the quizzes if you can't, for some reason, get the book through Amazon Kindle, or you can't meet up with someone and get the textbook that way. So I just wanted to make that available to you all. Also, I received an email about proctoring in preparation for the midterm and final. I just wanted to let you all know that the exam dates are officially in the proctoring system for UNC. So you can now schedule a proctor. Please, guys, do not wait. I know you're thinking to yourself, oh, it's week 2. The midterm isn't until week 7 or 8, somewhere around there. I've got time. I can wait. Don't be that person. Don't wait. It will catch up to you. These weeks go by very fast. I've seen a lot of students end up in some really precarious situations because they waited to schedule a proctor. Okay, so don't be that person. So it is there. Another thing that I want to talk about is I do send out a lot of announcements throughout the class, and I do that to kind of keep everybody on the same page because I don't see you like I would if it was a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, or face-to-face class. You guys aren't with me, so I just wanted to make sure that everyone knows that in order to get a notification that I'm sending you out an announcement instantly, you actually have to go into Canvas under your settings and set your announcements notifications to ASAP. Some of you may have it set to like once a month, once a week, or something like that, which really, and you just don't know. So I would really suggest that you set it to ASAP, because sometimes I send out important things like, as I've said in a previous announcement, Canvas is not my friend. Sometimes things have closed that aren't due yet and can't get to them, and I'll send an announcement out saying, okay, it's back open. It'll be open for 3 more hours or something like that. So just set your announcements, okay? Some of you guys have been asking about help for using Canvas as well. Features, can I do this on Canvas? Can I do that on Canvas? Google is great, and I am not a Canvas genius. I only recently started using Canvas when I started teaching this class, and Canvas is not my friend. And so I'm not that great at using Canvas, so I'm not very helpful when people have questions about how to use Canvas. But I have gotten a lot better with using Canvas by using Google. I just Google whatever it is, literally. Whatever my question is, I just Google it, and type Canvas with it. And there are great YouTube videos. There are great blogs out there where people have screenshots of this screen and they show you how to do things. So that kind of also piggybacks into the discussion boards. I'm getting a lot of emails about where's the edit button on the discussion board? I can't edit it. Can I edit it? How do I edit it? I have disabled the edit feature on your discussion boards. And when I was first getting the emails, I had forgotten that I had done this. So I was like, oh, of course it's there. But no, it's not. I had to remember that I started doing that the first semester I taught the class after learning from Google, from other professors, that the edit feature can be problematic, especially when it's a graded assignment where you're replying to each other. You can, you've got someone who's already replied to you, and then you go and take out half of your post, and then their reply makes absolutely no sense. So the edit button is not there. So with that in mind, be very careful about where you post, what you post, and that it has what you want in it before you post it. So proofread, add your sources, put it in the right spot, whatever it is you need to do it before you press submit or save or whatever the button is, okay? The due dates, I've also gotten a question about the due dates. That you guys, and I get this question every semester that I've done the discussion boards like this. The due dates aren't in Canvas, so therefore it doesn't pop up on your Canvas calendar, and it makes it hard for you to track the assignments. Yes, I get it. But please be mindful. Canvas is not like me. I can't tell Canvas this one assignment has 3 separate due dates. So please don't flag all the assignments that are turned in on the second round as late because they don't match the due date that I have in there. So therefore, I can put it in there that the due date is the last day that all 3 posts have to be completed by, but that's also misleading. You'll think, well, I have to do parts 1 through 3 by Tuesday at 11 p.m. No, that's not accurate. You have to do part 1 by Thursday at 11 p.m., part 2 by Sunday at 11 p.m., part 3 by Tuesday at 11 p.m. And so I can't tell Canvas that. And if I try to put due dates in, for part 1, part 2, part 3, it discombobulates it. It will mark your assignments as late, and it will give you, it'll start giving you automatic zeros and things like that. And it's just too much, and I have to override it to be able to put a grade in, and it becomes a mess on my side. So I just want you guys to be mindful that at the bottom of every module, I write at the very bottom, hey, quiz 3 is due on Tuesday, 11 p.m. Discussion board, Thursday, Sunday, Tuesday, 11 p.m. Don't forget to do your gratitude journal. I write it at the bottom. It's in the syllabus. I've also corrected it on the rubric guidelines as well, so it's there. So one of your classmates who was looking ahead, because I had not realized that I had opened up all the modules to do some arranging on Canvas and forgot to close them back all down, that I had a video up last semester for this week where I really went into detail about how I grade or what I expect to see for the discussion board. So I am currently in the process of trimming that video down to just be about the discussion boards rubrics and what I'm looking for, and I'm going to post that right up under this video, so watch it so you'll know, because I will start grading discussion board 1 and quiz 1 this week. I'm not the quickest grader in the whole entire world, so some people get a little crabby about that, but I try to give you quality feedback, and quality feedback takes me a while, and it's a lot of reading to do, so I apologize that I'm not Speedy Gonzalez when it comes down to grading, but you will be graded. So that's all I have to say in this video. If you have any questions, guys, continue. You guys are doing really great with emailing me and using the question and answer discussion board. I will say that I think this semester, if I'm getting some emails that are coming to me that are general, I think I'm going to start copying and pasting them into the question and answer discussion board so that if I get the same question again, I can just direct you there so you can see what my answer was and know that you had a similar question. So I think I'm going to do that. But you guys continue to peep on there and drop your questions and help each other. So it is great having you guys. I haven't had a lot of movement this semester out of the class. Normally a lot of people move in and out that first week. So it looks like you guys all hung in there, and I look forward to having you. So have a great week, and don't forget to watch the video that's right up under here so you know what to expect with your discussion board grading. Have a great day. Bye.